Welcome to TagTell, tag detection in large-scale text corpora. Many companies face an increase in data volume of unstructured text documents from customer feedback or from company-specific documentation. There is a need to quickly understand the content of such data and its main topics. User tagging of large volume of text data is expensive, time-consuming, and user-dependent. A solution is the TagTell demonstrator, which has as a scope to extract tags automatically from individual text documents in a collection of documents. The source of tags is the actual text or external references like ontologies or corpora. The demonstrator provides tags associated with each text document, a visualization of the tags generated, and user interactivity to explore the tags and the documents associated with the tags. TagTell is an interactive web application based on unsupervised key phrase extraction methods and natural language processing. There are 4 types of key phrase extraction algorithms used in TagTell: frequency-based, graph-based, clustering-based, and ontology-based. Frequency-based tagging is using term frequency and heuristics, generating mostly one-word tags, although it can find multi-word tags if they are frequent in the text. Graph-based tagging represents the text as a graph, where nodes are the words and the links represent co-occurrence. Network analysis algorithms identify key phrases from the graph. It extracts multi-word tags, which are very domain-specific and also present in the text. Clustering-based tagging finds word clusters in the text and identifies as tags representative words from each cluster. It uses similarity between word embeddings, a distributed representation of the words, to find similar words that might not occur in the text but in an associated text corpus. The ontology-based algorithm uses WordNet lexical ontology to find hypernyms that are common to keywords in the text. Now I'm going to show how the TagTell demonstrator works. TagTell has simple and self-explanatory menus. The main menu contains 4 tabs: Upload Data File, Visualization, Help, and Logout. When we click on Upload Data File, we are prompted to choose the data file from our computer. For example, here we can choose Financial Economic News. This is a CSV data file which has on each row at least one text entry. Here we have text and headline fields, and at least one identifier. We are prompted to select up to 3 fields to create a unique identifier. For example, here we can choose date, article ID, and unit ID. And we can also select up to 3 text fields for tagging, for example, text and headline. Once the ID and text fields are selected, we can click on the Extract Tags, which starts the extraction of tags. This process can take several minutes, depending on the amount of text to be analyzed. When the analysis is finished, all extracted tags are shown as interactive visualizations, a graph chart and a bar chart. The graph chart shows a network of tags where each node is a tag, and the size of the node represents the frequency of the tag, while links indicate tags co-occurrences within each text and across the dataset. Tags can be explored by selecting for display a specific algorithm among the 4 algorithms: clustering, graph-based, frequency, ontology-based tagging. For example, if we choose the graph-based tagging, we are going to obtain keywords which are multi-word tags. By hovering on the bars in the bar chart, we can obtain their frequency, while by scrolling down the slider on the right side, we can observe all the tags that have been extracted. We can also hover on a node in the graph chart, select a tag to be edited, to be deleted, or to explore it further. By editing a tag, we are prompted to change the particular label with a different word. By deleting a tag, we are going to delete permanently from the dataset the tag. And by exploring the tag, we are allowed to see all the documents where that particular tag occurred. For example, the tag interest rate occurred in 32 documents. If you click on any of the IDs of these text entries, we are prompted with the actual text and the tags related with that particular text. text and tags. Similarly, if you choose to click on the bar chart and right-click, we can perform the same interaction with those particular tags. We can also use the zooming, panning, selecting controls associated to the network chart in order to minimize or increase the size of the image. We can change the slider in order to display tags starting with a lower minimum frequency, for example, complete network of tags, and we can play with the zoom controls. Again, we can see the various tags. By increasing the minimum frequency of tags to be displayed, we can obtain tags displayed as labels near each node. By increasing this frequency in steps of 1, we can adjust this frequency further. We can also explore previously obtained visualizations by clicking on the Visualization tab. This has prompted us to choose a previously uploaded file. It is going to show us visualizations that were obtained previously. At any moment, we can download the tagged file, which will contain the initial text and ID, plus 4 more columns, which contain tags extracted by each of the 4 algorithms. We can also delete the uploaded files. In this case, all files will be permanently deleted, and this can be done in order to remove sensitive data from the server at the end of a session. For further information, you can consult the help file, which shows all the particularities of using TagTell. Thank you for your attention.